this is Dina, and today's QuickBooks tip is on how to update your unemployment rate in QuickBooks Online if you use the software for your payroll. So by now you should have received either something in the mail or an email letting you know that your unemployment rate has been recalculated. You may need to log on to your state portal in order to pull that information, but once you have your rate, you'll need to go to the main gear icon, click Payroll Settings, select your state tax. In this case, we are in Georgia. And then scroll down, and near the bottom, you'll click the Edit button and then enter in your new rate. If your rate hasn't changed, you don't need to do anything at all, but it is a good idea to go in here and just confirm that QuickBooks has the right rate. Put in the effective date. It's possible your rate might get recalculated mid-year. It's important to have this correct for your payroll tax returns. And once you're done, just hit Save and then Done. Have a good day.